Harmony of the Seas, room 14170. Using the WOW band to go in.
Hold it.
This is a 3-person room, so the sofa bed pulls out. The sofa pulls out into a bed, and it is as high as the cushions and queen size. For the 3rd person, I'm going to take you into the bathroom right quick and show you that first. Got your temperature gauge. This is the bathroom. You can put a wheelchair or scooter under here. You have the phone in the bathroom. Your emergency pull cord right here. Your shower seat, your bars, and no worries about water all over the floor because of the drain. And you have 2 shower heads. And you have the all-in-one body wash and hair. And this is your storage area, so not a whole lot of storage area in the bathrooms. You don't have any hooks on the wall, so this is one of those rooms you do want to bring your magnetic hooks for. Got 2 drawers here. Then your armoire.
Oh.
Then you have another closet over here. So you have your upper and lower bars, 4 more drawers, your refrigerator here. Here's more outlets, including USB outlets, your chair, a ramp for outside, and let's go to the balcony. So when you open the door fully, this drops down usually automatically. That to roll out. And here is your balcony. So you have 2 chairs with the footstools and your little table. It's foggy here in Galveston today. And right above you is the infinity pool and the bridge. So that's it for room 14170 on Harmony of the Seas.